Hi guys, so today I am going to show you how to do a free mod for the air conditioned glove box. It's quite simple and it works. So take off all your radio stuff just to get it out of the way. And these vents, they just pop out. They look like this. So and they pop back in. So basically what you want is, let me see, what you want is some old pipe from a vacuum like this. It can be a little bit thicker, the hole is a little bit thicker. So for this one I cut it about 12 inches. So I think, maybe, I don't know, ask my wife. And all you gotta do is push that up in there. Don't worry about it, you can't go far enough to damage anything. And on this side you will have a little hole. There's normally a plastic cover on this, but it just pops out. Really simple. Okay, so you're just going to put your pipe in the hole. I use the ribbed pipe because it kind of holds itself then with the pressure from being up inside, and the edge of the hole is just going to sit there. It's just going to sit there nicely. So for putting the vent back in, now I cut this vent just to make the pipe fit, and it fits perfectly. I just cut it with an angle grinder. It doesn't need to be pretty, you can't see it, but basically then you're going to put your radio back together. So take your vent and it will slide over, and now you have an air conditioned glove box. I'll turn it on. Yeah, we still have air coming out of there. We have air in there. Simple, free.